To register a school account on the Donation Exchange powered by CREF, go to donation-exchange.org. Select Register School. Enter your school's information, including your logo, in a JPEG or PNG format. Enter your user information, including email address and password for login. Note that additional instructors can be invited to register under your school account once your registration is complete. Check this box to agree to the statement, and check here to accept our terms and conditions. Click Register. You will then be logged into your account. You can go to My Account. To access available product and materials, select View Products. If you have not previously completed the School Solutions Survey for this school year, you will be required to do so before gaining access to product that is currently listed. Once your survey is complete, you can log in to your account, go to My Account, select View Products, and you will now be able to access all available product.